Say hi to the associates. It's time for the weekly update. Our poor buddy has a little boo-boo, so he has a cone. But he is supporting you as we enter week 3, module 3. Today is Friday as I'm posting it. Our week 3 officially begins on February 2nd. And we're going to be talking about document structure, reviewing some editing principles, discussing some things with prompting your AI interns if you're going to be using any chats to help you with your work, and getting into more of those foundations of any kind of good technical writing that applies to all your Unit 1 projects and beyond. Don't be a sad boy. Happy Friday. Boop. All right, so in your weekly checklist, we have lab, and in week 3 lab, we are going to be doing some stuff on how to map out the different hierarchy of topics and structure in documents, and then we're going to go through a bunch of examples of different writing styles so you can think and really practice analyzing and see the differences in our scholarly, functional, interpretive, and affective styles of describing content. So those are our 2 main activities, and you'll do your lab reflection after you watch, show up, participate in those 2 activities. Then there's the online materials, and so you have your mini lecture video. It's like 20 minutes long. That actually gets into technical descriptions specifically, so you definitely, you need to watch it anyway because it's your assigned online lecture materials, but definitely watch it if you're doing the reference wiki library project. After that, you have the reading chapter, which goes into 4 sections, really digging into our campsite, that context, audience, message, product analysis we want to do right in our pre-project planning. Then I go over some organizational patterns common to the field of how we structure our documents. Section 3 just reviews basic mechanics and grammar to make sure you just have kind of those foundations on lock. And then section 4 does talk about the generative large language models and just, some brief kind of primer background on what they're really doing, kind of how they work and how they can work and their limitations when it comes to our fields of writing so you can use them ethically and productively. The document analysis example for this week is looking at a technical standards manual from the IEEE. And so you can kind of just really see how they are describing and expect and set a standard kind of for those types of descriptions, documentation, and then you have your quiz per usual. Happy February. See you in class. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.